Botchoy Boy here with another video of my Traxxas Bandit 2-wheel drive 1/10 scale brushless. Uh, I put 1/8 scale buggy wheels and body, as you can see there. I know there's a lot of people doing the Traxxas slash 4-wheel drives, turning them into buggies. I thought, well, let me give it a try with the Bandit. It's there. Let's take a look underneath the shell. There you go. $4,300 kV motor, 1/8 scale, 17 millimeter buggy wheels all around. Let's see. There we go. Got the extended wheel adapters, 12 millimeter to 17 millimeter. There you go. Change the shocks. It's a little bit bigger, but the length is the same. Made for Bandit, Rustler, Stampede. So it's just a bolt on. There we go. You can see the wheel adapter there better. That's about it. Oh, and then I got the adapter for the battery XT60 to EC5. I'm running 3S battery on it. There's the ESC. Not much to it. Oh, I painted the wing white, and then I sprayed it with black primer, and then this happened. I like it, so I kept it. Yep. Thanks for watching.